Hey, what's up guys, this is Aaron from Wotofo. Today we are going to show you guys a new product from Wotofo. It's MTL RDA, and this one is called STNG MTL RDA. It's a new collaboration with a Russian YouTube reviewer. It's called Vapers. If you guys don't know him, please go check it out his channel, and let's take a look inside. And first you guys can see the RDA right here. This is a really small, tiny RDA because for the flavor. And let's see what else inside. We have a user menu. We have a screwdriver and Allen key. We have a pack of carton. We have a pack of single coil. And we have a pack of dual fuse Clapton coil. And this pack, we have an extra drip tee, we have an extra O-rings, we have squonk pin, we have some screws. Now I got a coil on this RDA, and I'm using the single standard coil comes with the box, and I vape on 20 watts. Let's see how it performs. One more hit. I would say the flavor is really good and it's really smooth. I feel this is the cool vapor, and because we have a really tiny, really small air hole, and it makes the flavor even better than other RDAs in the market, and this is why this is the MTL RDA. It's for the flavor. And let's try the dual fuse Clapton coil on this RDA. And now I'm using the dual fuse Clapton coil on this RDA, and let's see how it performs. Airflow open, and I still vaping on 20 watts. One more hit. Yeah, the flavor is still really good, and it's really smooth. It's still the cold vapor, and I would say if you prefer to use nicotine saw on this RDA, I suggest you use the single stand coil. If you prefer to use high VG or normal coil or normal liquid on this RDA, I suggest you use Clapton coil. And I think that's it. Thanks for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, please give us a like. See you guys next time. Bye.